I just wanted to do a quick catch up on days 4 through 6 of the social selfie boot camp. Sorry, my voice is a little bit nasally again. I've been a little bit sick and under the weather. So just been a little bit behind on posting, but I still stayed consistent on my skincare routine. And honestly, this is a really good reminder that consistency doesn't always have to look perfect. So day 4 was about cleansing. And I double cleansed, starting with a 2V Bio Nut to remove my makeup, of course. And it's going to also remove SPF, any surface impurities that may be there as well, and anything that's going to be built up throughout the day. Then I followed up with Anna Lutan's Euphrasia cleanser for a good double cleanse using the Ada applicator. And the Euphrasia cleanser is nice because it's super gentle and it still leaves the skin feeling clean and refreshed. And since I've been sick, using the applicator around my sinuses felt super incredible and really helped to improve my puffiness. We all love advanced treatments, but healthy skin starts with the basics, and cleansing is one of the most important steps in any routine. We can all agree with that. For day 5, we had a little bit more of the Skin One Pro action, which, I was of course excited about, being a Skin One Pro girly. I paired it with some of my favorite professional skincare products because it helps to enhance this ingredient delivery and is one of the easiest ways to get even more out of the products that already have great formulations. I'm still dealing with a few breakouts, especially right here, that are mostly from recent antibiotics, but rather than throwing more actives into the situation, that being my skin, I'm trying to simplify my routine, such as doing things like washing pillowcases more often, cleaning my makeup brushes, and eliminating variables just one at a time. I'm actually using a newer serum foundation that I have, so I think that could be contributing to my breakouts. So just going back to the basics, Brooke from Hypo 21 actually recently sent me more of her product. So that actually helps to clear breakouts and bacteria while also calming the skin. So I'm really looking forward to that helping out and putting it back into my routine. And I'm just kind of troubleshooting one step at a time. Day 6. Day 6 is all about sunscreen, SPF, UV safety. And honestly, this one has become incredibly personal for me. I've become such a huge fan, actually, not only of SPF for the face, but body SPF, especially lotion formulas over sprays, because I want to make sure that I'm getting thorough and even coverage. Since becoming immunocompromised, I've been on medications that make me extremely photosensitive. Before all of this, meaning my kidney issues, which happened January of 2025, I definitely took natural melanin protection, being darker, for granted. And now, if I go outside without SPF, my skin literally feels like it's on fire, like it feels scorching. So it's been a huge wake-up call. I can't drive without it feeling like I'm burning. So sometimes it's not about finding the best SPF or the most expensive brand. Any SPF is better than no SPF. The best brand is the one that you'll apply consistently and the one that you'll wear consistently. So wear it generously to make sure that you get the best protection that it'll provide. So I applied my favorite SPF with the Ada applicator, and that gives you a nice lymphatic massage on your body, gives you some thorough, even coverage. It's a simple step, it's a good step, and it's just good and healthy for your body. So I'm really excited to keep this challenge going and see where my skin goes.